In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to your Wix blog. Engaging with your readership is crucial for any blog, and activating the comment feature is a fantastic way to encourage conversation and receive valuable feedback. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the comments feature up and running, making sure your audience can easily interact with your content. First, we'll begin by accessing your blog settings. To do this, go to your Wix site's blog dashboard. You can usually find this dashboard on your website's main menu or through the Wix editor interface, depending on how you have your site set up. Once you're on the blog dashboard, take a look at the top right side of the screen. You'll notice a drop-down labeled More Actions. Click this drop-down to reveal a list of additional options and settings related to your blog's functionality. From the drop-down menu, you should see an option called Blog Settings. This is the gateway to configuring various parameters of your blog, including comments. Go ahead and select Blog Settings to enter the main settings area. This page contains several sections that allow you to tailor the blog experience to your needs. Now, let's focus on adjusting the comment settings. Within the Blog Settings section, locate and click on Comments and Ratings. This is the area where you can manage how visitors to your blog can leave comments and interact with your posts. The first thing you'll need to do here is enable comments. Look for an option labeled simply Comments with a toggle switch next to it. If comments are currently disabled, it'll show as Off, but all you need to do is click it once, flipping the switch to the On position. By doing so, you're telling the Wix platform that you'd like to permit comments on your blog posts. This action is essential because, without it, readers won't be able to share their thoughts or start discussions under your articles. With comments now enabled, you'll want to decide who can leave comments on your blog. For a more open and inclusive environment, head to the option titled Who Can Leave Comments? You'll see several options here, but to maximize engagement, select Everyone. This choice means that all visitors, whether they're logged into a Wix account or not, can participate in the conversations happening under your posts. It's a great way to ensure your blog is accessible and welcoming to a broad audience. And there you have it. With these settings adjusted, your visitors can start leaving comments on your blog posts, promoting interaction and enhancing your online community. It's a straightforward process, but one that creates significant potential for building relationships with your readers. Make sure to monitor the comments regularly to keep the discussions positive and engaging. Happy blogging!